Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Vipul and you are watching Digital Vipul. In this video, we will create a Facebook page for our website. Okay, so before creating the Facebook page, I will create a Facebook profile. Okay, so if you already have a Facebook account, so you can directly skip this part and go to the Facebook page creation part. Okay, so let's start this video. So first, what we have to do, we will go to www.facebook.com. Okay, and then you have to create a new account. Then you have to give your name. You have to give your email ID over here. That is digitalbubble1512@gmail.com. Okay, then you have to re-enter your email ID. Then you have to set a password. Then here you have to give your date of birth. And then you have to select your gender. And then you have to click sign up. Okay, after you click on sign up, you will get this kind of code to your Gmail ID. So you have to go over there. Okay, so this is your code. So I have to copy this code over here and I will put it over there. I will click on continue. Okay, so we have successfully verified our email account. Then click on OK. So here we go. So in this way we can create our Facebook account. Now we have to do certain things. You have to upload a picture. I will click on add picture. Okay, then I will go on desktop and upload one of my pictures. Okay, so I will use this one. Okay, so your profile picture has been set. Now if you want, you can read this step and do it now, or you can do it later also. Okay, so I will click on my profile now. So you can see your Facebook account has been created over there. So now you can use a cover photo or you can skip it. You can do it later on. Okay, I will skip all the step right now. Okay, so this is a basic overview of how you create your Facebook account. Now we want to create a Facebook page for our website. So I'm going to directly jump onto that. Okay, so what we have to do for that, we will go to this option create and we will click on page. Okay, then we have to click a page for our community or a public figure. So we will click on this. We will name our page as Digital Vipul and we will choose category. Public figure. Category we will personal. Category will be personal blog. Okay, then we'll click on continue. It might take some it might take a little bit of time. Then what you have to do, you have to upload profile picture. We'll skip that and then we'll again skip that part. So here we go. So now you can see our Facebook page has already been created. Okay, so you can give a username later when you get a minimum number of likes over there. Okay, right now it is not allowing us to create a username. Okay, so we will do it later. So this is basically an overview of how you create like Facebook page and a Facebook account. Okay, and we will set up all those accounts and then make another video on that. Okay, then you can see how you can set up your page. Okay, so this is all about this video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, if it was helpful for you, just click a like, just like this video. And also, if you're watching this video for the first time, just subscribe to this channel so that you can get all the notifications when I launch a new video, and share with maximum amount of people. And do comment if you face any kind of issue or whatever, if you have any kind of suggestions for us. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.